Something we don't speak about as a nation is the use of child soldiers during the apartheid regime. The ANC used child soldiers, the PAC used child soldiers, AZAPO used child soldiers, wonke lama parties used child soldiers. Not only as the offense ngoba besiya in the front line abantwana abana 15, abantwana abana 14, abantwana abana 12, siya in the front line, sifike in kuma-guerrilla tactics, sifike silwe nawo lamabhunu. Not only that, they were also using child soldiers as ama-lookout. They also use child soldiers as abantu abazotransporta ama-weapons. Obviously, lighting is an issue because it's not an issue per se ngoba most of Tina, we chose the revolution, we chose to fight, we chose to be a patriot. But coming into democracy, the country or the ANC regime, yes, neglect. Like azange yasinikeza what was due to us. Like there was no counseling for labantwana laba abanabo ma 13, abanabo ma 14, in which izandla zabo besisicwele igazi. There was no counseling to integrate bonke labantu laba into society or give labantu laba ama-skills khona bazokwazi ukuphila grand nabanye abantu. Hence, obviously, there's high GBV, there's high femicide, there's high homicide because most abantu whom raise us manje banale trauma le yayo the system.